Today, our journey continues. We will keep analyzing multi-time frames with price action and smart money techniques. Of course, we'll be using our best trading view indicator in this journey. So, you can see how the momentum strategy really works. Let's start now. Let's talk about recent price action and get a better understanding of price action and smart money concepts so you can make much better decisions in trading. Recently in Bitcoin, there was this interesting price action. At the bottom, we had this previous day low, and at the top, we had this previous day high. Price was crashing really badly and destroyed this previous day low strongly. So I count this as a very strong break actually. However, after this, I was also expecting this PDL, the low level, to act as a resistance and support level, because this was the natural playout from the historical data. And also, this multi-imbalance area appeared on the chart. So my expectation was quite simple. Fill back this multi-imbalance area, hit this previous day low level as the support and resistance area, the flip location, and crash one more time. This was the honest high time frame analysis. So if I were to open the lower time frames, I was also expecting this inner trend change, making small break downwards one after another in a crash. So you have a clear idea of the playout that I expected. But there's one thing here. None of this actually happened. None of the expectations that I encountered actually happened. And it brings us to a very simple idea of why to combine high time frames and low time frames. Now, from the 1 hour chart, I have dropped to the 5-minute charts, so we can observe what is happening in much clearer detail here. If you carefully look at it, the inner trend is extremely strong, but it's going upwards. It actually never shifted downwards at all. So when you look at it carefully, there is no downtrend market structure break at all. No significant break that can convince us that high time frame and long time frame are aligning. Instead, price was rushing towards the previous day high at its new target above. So the shift was so strong and the imbalance area did not hold the price action at all. And this brings us to two types of trades and traders. The traders that use a single time frame and the traders that use multiple high and low time frames. You may think high and low time frame is the only option, but actually it is not. There is a big trade-off between those two. Now, high time frame traders generally have much lower win rates. I do not see any ideal case to use your full total 1 hour risk. But the trade-off you get from this deal is that you find easier and much quicker trades. And the analysis actually is much more simpler compared to multi-time frame traders. On the other hand, combining high and low time frame for traders and trades gives us other benefits and also disadvantages. If you go out there and talk to other traders about combination of higher and lower time frame trades, you will notice that they have generally much higher win rates compared to single time frame traders. And with a higher win rate in a historical data, you can actually use your 100% of your risk with one total R, 1 R. This is the big advantage here. However, combining multi-time frames comes with a big disadvantageous trade-off, which is that it can be extremely time-consuming and harder to analyze. Actually, it can take sometimes 3 to 4 hours of waiting time to enter one single trade. So this is the trade-off you pay for. So at the end, it ends up with a choice, your choice. After all, it depends on your lifestyle, personality, free time, and how you analyze the charts. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational enough. Take care of yourself for now and see you next time. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.